What's up everyone? New video for today. I'm gonna be installing a new mod or an upgrade into my Mazda 3, and it is a hood shock damper. So I'm excited, and let's get into it. So I'm excited to have this installed. There is no instruction, unfortunately. However, online on their page, there is an instructions that I can follow, so it's all in there. I'll get into it. You might have noticed that when the hood opens, it shakes, and I was wondering why would it shake. Here's a comparison, left and right. So what I did was I reverse the damper. So when I installed this was at the bottom, and that one was here at the hood. So what I did was I removed this joint knuckle. They're both removable. You can basically unscrew them. So what I did was, this originally was connected to that, and that was connected to here. So I reversed it and basically installed the other way around. So if you can see in the comparison video, left and right, you would definitely see a huge difference, that it doesn't shake anymore compared to the initial install where the entire hood was shaking when it fully opened. So I just reversed this and put the other way around. There you go. I hope you like this video. Give that like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to, want me to make another cool videos, how to mod upgrades and whatnot. Feel free to comment down below. Peace out. You have a great weekend.